All right, guys, quick 2-minute sales training. On the last one, we went over what it would look like pitching a product where they're doing well financially and they don't need it out of necessity, where they are in good health. But let's play that same scenario where maybe they're not in good health and they're still doing well financially. Well, do they still need it? The answer is yes, of course. Well, how do we pitch it? In this scenario, let's say we're sitting down with Mary and she's 78 years old and she's got a lot of health issues where you can really simplify it down. My pitch is basically 2 minutes. And if she doesn't buy it, I'm out, but certainly worth a shot, and it certainly puts her in a better position as well. How I phrase it is, all right, Mary, well, first of all, you've done a wonderful job of setting yourself up for success financially, better than most of my clients, to be honest with you. Always tee them up, always make them feel good about themselves. So Mary, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm assuming the main reason that we're sitting down today and looking at coverage is not necessarily of necessity, like you need this, because if you died tomorrow, looks like you'd be okay. I'm assuming it's more so just strengthening the position, where Mary, instead of letting that money sit in savings, I'm assuming it would make more sense to simply leverage that into a policy that's collecting a higher interest rate than your savings account is. So whether it may be $100 a month, $200, $500 a month, whatever that looks like, I'm assuming that would make sense to simply strengthen the position and leave your kids and grandkids as much money as possible. Would that be a fair assumption? And then I've helped a ton of clients by doing that because A, you're getting very little interest on your savings account, like 0.01%, pays out day one, God forbid something were to happen, and it's day one coverage. And then B, you're building the cash value, getting 3% on the cash value. And then on all whole life products across the board, you get a guaranteed 3% interest rate. So of course it still makes sense. Regardless of how unhealthy, healthy, young or old they are, everybody needs our help.